It's not a bombardier, but close. C'est pas un train de bombardier, ben c'est proche. The elves. Un tractor, a tractor. Snow machine. Snow machines. I wonder why there's all kinds of coats and hats hanging on the fences over there. Oh, is it?
Anyone that needs it, I'm taking care of it.
Oh. Who told you that?
I've seen it in the paper.
Look at that kid on. Look at the kid on top of the fire truck. Regarde la gente sur le truck de pompier. There's a reindeer. A Habs fan. Un fan des Habs. Ils font bon à cette heure. Ils ont gagné 5 de suite. The Montreal Canadiens are winning 5 games. Oh, big fire trucks.
Wait, is this even dirt here?
Oh, the Grinch. The Grinch. He's got so many gifts that he needs a moving van. Yeah, c'est... les cadeaux, ils ont besoin d'un van de remboursement. Alright, the fun we're having now in downtown Plattsburgh. Le fun qu'on a à la ville de Plattsburgh.